Hey YouTube, welcome to yet another video in the Python HackerRank series. This is Rishabh, and in this video we are going to solve yet another HackerRank problem. And I think this is going to be a very simple one. It is the string split and join. So in this problem, as you can see, that we are given a string A, then there is some split operation which is being performed, and when we print it, it is converted into a list. So whenever we want to split a string in Python, we can use the split function, and it basically returns a list of all the words which were the part of that specific string, right? This is one function. The other one is wherein we can actually take a list of words and we can form it into a string, and we can use some kind of a joiner. Like in this case, we are using hyphen. So all the words will be connected with the help of a hyphen. We can use a space as well, right? So the task is, you are given a string, split the string on a space delimiter and join using a hyphen. Awesome. The function description seems to be very simple, that complete the split and join function in the editor. Then split and join has following parameters: string line, string of space separated words. Okay. Cool. So we are given a string basically, and we have to perform two functions. One is the split function, the other one is the join function, right? So let me just try to complete it in a single line of code. Let's see if it works. Line dot split. So we have to perform a line dot split dot join. And okay, just a second. When we say line dot split, it is basically going to give me the list of words, right? So which means that I can probably do something like this: return, wherein there is a hyphen and we are saying dot join, and inside of it we are going to pass this list. Cool. So let me first try to run this code, and then I'll be explaining this code to you in a bit more detail. So let's run the code. Okay, so the test cases have passed. Let me submit the code now. Okay, amazing. So yes, as you can see that we can actually solve this in a single line of code. But now to make it a bit more clear, so what I can do is I can show you how we can split what I have written. So the first thing which we need to perform is we need to say line dot split, right? And we need to split on the basis of the space. And when we do this operation, that is line dot split, we get us a list of words in this variable that is called as line, right? You can actually write it something like this: words equals line dot split this, right? Now let's say hyphen connected words, right? Or you can probably call it a string only. String equals, right? Here we are going to say hyphen dot join, and we are going to pass all the words, right? Now string is your final result. You can also solve the problem that way also. Let me actually comment this for some time, and let me say return string, right? So instead of writing single line, I have actually kind of decoupled the logic for these two functions. So this function is now performing the split, and this line is performing the join. So let me go ahead and run the code. Cool. So this will run fine as well. So the idea is that you can solve it in both ways. I mean, sometimes it's convenient to write it in a single line of code, and sometimes you want to see the logic in a better fashion. So it can actually help to decouple your code and write each operation in an individual line, right? With this, I really hope you enjoyed this very short video. And if you did, I request that you like the video and share with whosoever you think may find this video valuable. With this, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye-bye.